ओम नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 2-46 यावानर्थ उदपाने, a study by S. L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Ravivasare, Sunday, June 21st, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitam Vrutavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvamanusandathami Bhagavat Gite Bhavadveshinim. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. यावानर्थ उदपाने सर्वतः संप्लुतोदके तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः. पदच्छेदः. यावान् अर्थः उदपाने सर्वतः संप्लुतोदके तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः. फ्रेज वाइज स्टडी. वाक्यांशशः अभ्यासः. We have columns here. Anukramankah, avyayah, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, क्रियापदीयाः, प्रयोगः, प्रकारः. I have not always filled in the other rest, the two columns, prayoga and prakara. But basically the idea is to study phrase by phrase. Sarvatah samplutodake. Udapane यावान अर्थः भवति तावान अर्थः सर्वेषु वेदेषु विजानतः ब्राह्मणस्य भवति. Note, I have taken bhavati as the implicit verb at both the places. तिगन्तशः अभ्यास. भवति भू धातुः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी to become. कर्तरि प्रयोगः लट् लकारः वर्तमान कालः प्रेजेंट टेंस. प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. समासशः अभ्यासः. संप्लुतोदके. संप्लुतोदक प्रातिपदिकम्. नाम नपुंसकलिंगं सप्तमी एकवचनम्. संप्लुतम् उदकम् इति संप्लुतोदकम्. कर्मधारयः. संप्लुतोदके means samplute udake. Samplute udake is a sati saptami construct because both samplute and udake are in saptami. One of them is a krudanta, samplute, which denotes sati, which corresponds to the word sati, and udake is a noun in its saptami vibhakti, so it corresponds to saptami. So sati saptami means there is a krudanta which is in saptami vibhakti and there is a noun which is in saptami vibhakti. Samplute uduke, when water is in multiplicity. Samplute, that is when there is flood. Krudantashah abhyasa. Samplute. सम प्लस प्लू इति धातुः प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. क्त कृदन्तं त इति कृत् प्रत्ययः. सम प्लू त संप्लुत. अर्थः फ्लडेड. जातिः विशेषणं. प्रयोगः कर्मणि नपुंसकलिंगं सप्तमी एकवचनम्. विजानतः वि प्लस ज्ञा इति धातुः नवमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. कृत् प्रत्ययः शत्रु. So vidya shatru vijanat, knowing. विशेषणं. कर्तरि प्रयोगः. पुल्लिंगं षष्ठी एकवचनम्. सुबन्तशः अभ्यासः. यावान् प्रातिपदिकं यावत्. विशेषणं like what. It is actually conjunctive adjective. or conjunctional adjective. Yavan is pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Artha, pratipadikam artha, noun. Propriety, pullingam prathama ekvachanam. This word artha has many meanings. So here the meaning as propriety is appropriate. So that's why I have given the meaning as propriety. Udapane, udapana, naam, pitcher. Napusakalingam saptami ekvachanam. Sarvatah, sarva pratipadikam sarvanama. All. Napusakalingam panchami ekvachanam. Udake, udaka, naam, water. Napusakalingam saptami ekvachanam. Tavan, pratipadikam tavat, visheshanam, like yavat, like that. So yavat was like what and tavat is like that. So interrelated conjunctions. Tavan is pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Sarveshu, sarva iti sarvanama, all. Atra pullingam saptami bahuvachanam, because it is related to Vedeshu, and Vedeshu is pulling saptami bahuvachanam. So Sarveshu also is pullingam saptami bahuvachanam. Otherwise Sarva can be in any of the three linga. Vedeshu, Veda, Nam, Veda, pullingam saptami bahuvachanam. Brahmanasya, Brahmana, pratipadikam, Nam, Brahmin, pullingam shashti ekvachanam. Note, etymology of the word udapana is ut plus up plus ana. Note, ut means up means water, and ana means the action, as also tool, facility. So udapana means anything which is useful to take water up, any such utensil, pitcher. There are supposed to be 5 types of gases in our body. Prana, pra plus ana, apana, apa plus ana, vyana, v plus ana, udana, ut plus ana, samana, sam plus ana, or sama plus ana. The word udapana can also be split as ut plus apana, ut plus apa plus ana, where ut means up and apa means away. So udapana means up and away, the action of up and away. When so saying, the sense of water is lost, but the context is of samplutodake. So we should go by the etymology ut plus up plus ana and not ut plus apa plus ana. Technique of interpretation. So it has to be sannidhyataha, appropriate to the context. Anvayartha. Udake sarvataha samplute. When water is flooded from all sides, sarvataha. Yavan arthaha udapane bhavati. What propriety is there in a pitcher? Tavan arthaha vijanataha brahmanasya sarveshu vedeshu bhavati. Similar is the propriety of all Vedas together for an accomplished Brahmin. Chando Vishleshana. Yavan artha udapane, udapa, etesham matraha, eka, dve. So there is a variation. Sarvataha samplutodake, mplutod, etesham matraha, eka, dve, eka. Tavan sarveshu vedeshu, shuvede, etesham matraha, eka, dve, dve. Brahmanasya vijanataha, vijana, etesham matraha, eka, dve, eka. Except for the variation in the first quarter, It is Anushtup Chanda. Swadhyaya, notes of self-study. In the Vigraha Vakyam of the compound word Sampluta Udake, it was noted that Samplute Udake can be taken to be Sati Saptami construct. Note, Sati Saptami construct makes a subclause, as is clear from its English translation as when water is flooding from all sides. It's a subclause. Likewise, one can take the phrase Vijanataha Brahmanasya to be Satshashti construct. Hence, a subclause as when a Brahmin would have accomplished a superior knowledge. Note, the Sati Saptami construct and Satshashti construct make adverbial subclauses of time. But the Sati Saptami construct has the tense of present continuous. When the water is flooding from all sides, is flooding, present continuous. The Satshashti construct has the mood of would associated with present perfect tense. When a Brahmin would have accomplished. There is analogy here between propriety of pitcher during water flooding on one hand and propriety of Sarveshu Vedeshu Jnanam on accomplish the superior Vijanataha Brahmanasya Jnanam on the other. Note here, Sarveshu Vedeshu Jnanam is taken analogous to pitcher and the superior Vijanataha Brahmanasya Jnanam is considered analogous to water flooding. Taking Sarveshu Vedeshu Jnanam as analogous to pitcher sounds to be intentionally antithetic, Vyatyasa. So there is analogy and there is also contrast, antitheism, Vyatyasa. Obviously, there is commendation of the superior Vijanataha Brahmanasya Jnanam. Anyone, rather everyone, should strive to accomplish that. The commendation here is to Arjuna, who was not Brahmin by caste. The commendation here is also by Sri Krishna Bhagavan, who also was not Brahmin by caste. Obviously, the word Brahmanasya must not be taken caste specific. Rather, anyone who pursues accomplishing knowledge about Brahman is a Brahmana. Note, the word Vijanataha is from Vi plus Jna. So, being Vijanat is pursuing, accomplishing Vijnanam about Brahman. That pursuit is not at all caste specific. This sounds to be a retort on Arjuna's argument speaking about Varna Sankara handbook. YouTube has a facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601@gmail.com. Shubhamastu.